Hello guys, HMD Global will soon launch new Nokia smartphones. The refreshed lineup will include Nokia 2.4, Nokia 6.3 and Nokia 7.3. Another long-awaited phone from HMD Global, Nokia 9.3 PureView is also set to make its debut later this year. Ahead of the official launch, we have come across some of the key specs which I'm going to tell you in this video. So stay tuned and I'll be back right after this. According to Nokia Anno, the new phone might launch as Nokia 9.3, skipping the PureView branding, meaning it will line up with all the other upcoming Nokia phones like Nokia 2.4, 6.3 and 7.3. Also, the other reason could be that Nokia 9.3 is rumored to switch to a more traditional camera instead of the innovative light cameras. As far as the display design goes, the last thing we heard was that Nokia Mobile is considering using an under-the-display front camera solution for it, though that move is considered risky inside the company. The latest information says that Nokia is working on two prototypes, one with punch-hole camera and one without anything, possibly the pop-up camera. I personally like pop-up camera solutions as it provides the maximum screen-to-body ratio, but people that use the front camera more might disagree there. Which one do you like? As for the specs, it might come with 6.29-inch Quad HD Plus P-OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 6 for protection. There may also be in-display fingerprint scanner. When it comes to processor, the flagship phone is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 processor. Earlier it was 855, but due to delay it has been set to 865. But now it looks like they may change it to the Plus variant of Snapdragon 865. Only time will tell. Anyways, RAM option may include 6 and 8 GB while the storage options of 128 and 256 GB. About its cameras, we only know about few stuff like it will be penta-camera setup with main lens being a 108 megapixel sensor. It's claimed to record 8K video at 30 fps. Other sensors on the phone could include a 64 megapixel sensor as well. Front camera is expected to be 32 megapixel. As for audio, there might be USB-C instead of 3.5mm headphone jack, but worry not, it has Qualcomm aptX which will provide high quality audio over Bluetooth devices. Also, it's said to come with single speaker and 3 mics. The battery size is expected to be 4500 mAh with wireless charging, and as of now, there is no information on fast charging. It will run on Android 10 and will come with all the sensors. And that's everything we know about this phone. More information will be coming soon, so subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.